Imagine this. Farmer Joe had 12 shiny red apples in his basket. He went inside for a moment, and when he came back, some apples were gone. While trying to figure out what happened, he saw a note beside the basket and it said, I only took one fourth of the apples. Now the question is, how many apples are missing and how many are left? This is where fractions step in. One fourth means 1 out of 4. That means we divide the total, which is 12 apples, into 4 equal parts. Each part has 12 divided by 4, which is 3 apples. So the thief took one part, which is 3 apples. And Farmer Joe has 12 minus 3, which is 9 apples left. But wait, the thief didn't stop there. The next day, Farmer Joe found another note on the basket. The note says, Today I took one third of what was left. Don't forget that Farmer Joe had 9 apples left, right? One third means 1 out of 3. So one third of 9 means 9 divided by 3, and that will give 3 apples. So again, 3 apples are missing. That leaves Farmer Joe with 6 apples. But the mystery continues, and here is your challenge. Farmer Joe has 6 apples left, right? On the third day, the thief says, I only took one half of the basket. Question 1. How many apples did the thief take? Question 2. How many apples are left? Drop your answer in the comments below. If you crack the case of the missing apple, hit the like button and share this with a friend who loves a good math mystery. Don't forget to subscribe for more math adventure with Miss Becca. See you!